Hey there, future quantum wizards. Dr. Quark here, and today I'm going to unlock the door to your career in quantum computing. You might be asking, why should I care about quantum computing, and what does it even mean for my job prospects? Well, grab your quantum keys and let's dive in. Quantum computing is like, imagine if your computer had superpowers, and instead of just ones and zeros, these bad boys use qubits, which can be both at once. But enough nerd talk, let's get to the juicy bits, the jobs. Firstly, there's the quantum software developer. Think of them as the wizards writing the spells for these supercomputers. You'll need to know quantum algorithms and programming languages like QHash or Python. Cha-ching. These roles are in high demand and can lead you to work at cutting-edge companies like IBM and Google. Next up, quantum hardware engineer. These folks are the ones building the actual machines, cooling systems, and everything in between. If you've got a background in electrical engineering or physics, this could be your golden ticket. And let's not forget quantum cryptographers. These are the guardians of our digital world, using quantum principles to create unbreakable encryption. With cyber threats growing every day, this job is crucial. Plus, you get to be the superhero of data security. Now, if you prefer a more academic route, consider becoming a quantum research scientist. Universities and research labs are always on the lookout for bright minds to push the boundaries of what's possible. You'll need a PhD, but hey, you'll also get to say I'm a quantum scientist at parties, and instant cool points. But wait, there's more. Quantum machine learning engineers are blending the power of quantum computing with AI. This role is perfect if you love both quantum physics and AI. You'll be creating algorithms that can solve problems faster than ever before. So, how do you get started? Firstly, brush up on your maths and physics. There are tons of online resources and courses like those on Coursera and edX. Secondly, get hands-on experience. Platforms like IBM's Quantum Experience let you play with real quantum computers right from your laptop. Pretty cool, right? And remember, networking is key. Join quantum computing communities, attend conferences, and connect with professionals in the field. LinkedIn is your friend here. So there you have it, your roadmap to a dazzling career in quantum computing. The future is quantum, and it's brighter than ever. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more futuristic career tips. Dr. Quark, signing off. Catch you in the quantum realm.